Hi, my name is Jenna Quinn and I'm a staff member at ACES Connection. I'm here today to talk to you about how to create a survey on the ACES Connection website. Surveys are really useful tools because they allow you to gather information about the community members and about what's going on in your community. So to start off, you navigate to the survey section of the community that you'd like to create the survey in. So nobody has created any surveys on this site so far, so you start off by clicking Post, then click Survey. You can either create single question or multiple question surveys. Today we'll do multiple questions. First, enter your survey title, so ours will be Getting to Know the Community. Then in the body, you write the description of your survey, and this would be a great place to write about why you wanted to make the survey, what information you're hoping to learn, or maybe just tell people a little bit about yourself. Now I'd like to direct you to the right-hand side of the page, which is the settings area of your survey. This allows you to make your survey anonymous, get notifications about the completions of the survey, so who's done it, how many people have done it. You can allow people to take the survey more than once, and you can set an end date, so you can set a point when people are no longer allowed to take the survey. Now if you keep scrolling down, we'll get to the question section of your survey. Our first question on the survey will be, what career field do you work in? And then perhaps you can add a description or add some more detail about the question about why you're asking it. And you can choose, so your answers are either text only or images and text. And if you choose images and text, you add an image for every answer. We'll do text only. And for this question, we'll allow multi-select, which means you can choose more than one answer. And we'll allow write-in responses in case we miss a career field that they want to add. So we'll start off with healthcare, education, criminal justice. And now let's say you want to add a fourth or fifth answer responses. You just click Add Answer and then add your answer. We'll add childcare. Our second question will be, are you a parent? And now this question will be just a yes or no question, so we don't need to allow multi-select and we don't need to allow written responses. In fact, we will delete one of the answers, so just click this trash can button, and then we'll type in our answers, either yes or no, I'm not a parent. Now we want to add another question to our survey, so you can just click Add Question at the bottom. Our third question will be, how involved are you in your local community? Now this would be a great example of a question where you should add a description, maybe define what you mean by local community or what you mean by involved. And we don't need to allow multi-select because they'll only feel one way, so we'll say very involved, somewhat involved, or not at all involved. So before we publish our survey, because we just want to have 3 questions, although you can add as many as you'd like, I just want to make sure that our survey is anonymous and that people can take it more than once. Then scroll down and click Publish. So now we'll see what the survey looks like to anybody who wanted to take it. So this is what the survey looks like. So this is where your description would have gone. This is the survey title. And now we'll practice taking the survey. So let's say I work in education and healthcare. I'm not a parent, and I'm very involved in my local community. Then click Submit Survey Now. Since I created the survey, I'm able to see the responses. And you can click each of these and see who voted for that response. So if more than one person voted, then you'd get a whole list of people who voted for that answer. And you can scroll down and it calculates the percentage and the raw number of votes. Yeah, so that's how you create a survey. Feel free to comment or leave any questions below. Thanks.